Hi there, my name is Victoria and I'm a watercolor artist, designer, and creator of Do Tell a Belle. And today I'm going to share with you my winter bridal shower theme designed using my hand-painted watercolor art, along with how I created these DIY bridal shower favors. Keep watching. Seen here are my winter bridal shower invitations designed using my hand-painted watercolor art, and they are featured in my article on how to throw the perfect winter bridal shower. Explore the link in the description area for more inspiration. And keep watching until the end for more green and white stationery and party decoration kits. Now let's dive in and create our DIY bridal shower favors. I first start by painting a pine bough on these cute little favor bags using metallic paint by Lissy Linka. I start with a base of silver before feathering in some green. Keep watching. Here I assemble the gift bag and then place a succulent inside. Super cute and eco-friendly. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and you want to help me grow my small business, tap the like button and share this with someone who's planning a bridal shower. Be sure to leave us a comment in the description area. I'd love to hear from you.